Hi, Rich Woods here with Trumeter. Today I'd like to tell you about our 7110 die. This is a one-of-a-kind product that was specifically manufactured to keep track of impressions for die manufacturers. The 7110 die is the only product of its kind on the market. It can be installed in both flat and rotary dies to keep accurate impression counts. Our engineers designed it specifically for our customers who wanted to keep track of their dies for maintenance purposes and for batch counting. Our impression counter comes in two different versions, a non-resettable unit and a resettable unit. The non-resettable unit is used to give an overall count of your die. Our resettable unit is resettable and is used for small batch runs. Some of the impressive features that we've incorporated into our die counter is that we've potted the insides of the unit so that it would withstand the vigorous vibrations from the die machine. We've also incorporated a high-speed switch to count up to 10 impressions per second. If you're interested in keeping track of your dies, please give us a call. We can't wait to streamline your operations with our 7110 die.